In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize the to the power of function in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're creating a presentation for a math class, compiling a report that includes statistical data, or simply need to include exponents in your slides for any reason, mastering this skill will elevate the professionalism and clarity of your presentation. Throughout the next 5 minutes, I will guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This usually involves clicking on the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or finding it through your computer's search function. Once the application is open, you'll be greeted with the opening screen, which allows you to begin a new presentation or continue working on an existing one. If you're working on an existing presentation, this is where you'll locate and open your file. Navigate through your folders to find the specific PowerPoint file you need and open it. Now, with your file open and ready to be edited, you'll want to ensure that you're on the Home tab. The Home tab is located at the top of the PowerPoint window as part of the ribbon, which is the control panel that runs across the top of PowerPoint. This tab includes several groups of commands related to formatting and editing your slides, but for our purposes today, we are particularly interested in the font group. Within the Home tab, direct your attention towards the Font group. This section includes a variety of options for changing the appearance of text in your presentation, including font type, size, color, and more. To access these additional formatting options, you'll need to click on the small arrow located at the bottom right corner of the Font group. This arrow is sometimes referred to as the Font Dialog Box Launcher. After clicking it, a dialog box with more detailed font options will appear. In this dialog box, look for the superscript option. Superscript is a typographical term that refers to text that appears slightly above the normal line of type, and it's commonly used for notations such as mathematical powers or exponents. Once you find the superscript option, go ahead and check its box to enable it. This action tells PowerPoint that the next thing you type should be formatted as superscript. After selecting the superscript option, it's time to type in the number or symbol that should appear as the power. Simply click back onto your slide and position your cursor where you want the superscript text to appear, then type it in. The text you input will automatically appear in the superscript format thanks to the option you just enabled. This could be a number, letter, or any symbol that you need to display as an exponent in your presentation. It's important to remember that when you finish typing your superscript text, you might want to turn off the superscript option if the next thing you'll be typing should appear in the regular text format. You can do so by going back to the font dialog box and unchecking the superscript option. This will prevent the rest of your text from also appearing in the superscript format unintentionally. There you have it. You've successfully learned how to format text to the power of in PowerPoint, a skill that can greatly impact the readability and professionalism of your presentations, especially when dealing with scientific or mathematical content. Remember, presentations are not just about what you say, but also about how you convey your information visually. Properly formatted text helps ensure your audience can easily understand and engage with your content. As a bonus tip, remember that the quality of your presentation isn't solely defined by the content, but also by its accessibility and aesthetics. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to ensure your superscript text is both visible and harmonious with the rest of your slide. Keeping these elements in mind will not only enhance your presentations, but also your confidence as a presenter. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Don't forget to practice what you've learned, and here's to creating more dynamic and effective PowerPoint presentations.